Good morning, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be letting the chickens out into their run. They've spent the last 48 hours-ish in their coop, locked away so that they know that the coop is home. And now we're about to let them into their run. It's pretty early morning, it's about 7:30. But yeah, so hopefully they enjoy their run today. I'll be here all day and watching them very closely. So yeah, so let's go let the chickens out. So we do have this double locking system. This is just a little bungee. And then that. We have an automatic door that we just have to install. We just got it. But we put this on there for now. Let's see if they come out. They're a little scared right now because I think the drill scared them.
Hey. Look. Here are your treats. Come here.
Are you gonna come out? First brave soul's out. Trying to lure them out with some grass. These brave souls made it out. And they're happily eating some grass and some weeds. These guys just gotta figure it out. They were quite inquisitive and they weren't 100% ready on coming out. It took like at least half hour, an hour for them to all come out. But now that they are out, so they're really enjoying it. Oh, this makes me so happy. See them all out and about. So it is the chickens' first day outside in their run. They are completely secure in their run because it's completely covered with hardware cloth. And all where these wood chips are all around the perimeter of the coop is fencing, so wire fencing, some chicken wire and some hardware cloth, and then wood chips on top to make sure nothing can dig underneath. So I just came inside the greenhouse to talk because it's getting a little windy out there, but today we are picking up our meat chickens. Just something that we're gonna try this year. I'm hoping it all goes well. We did order 50 Cornish grouse, so we're going to be putting them right into the brooder for the first few weeks, and then we'll move them out into chicken tractors, and it's going to be pasture raised chicken. So fingers crossed it all works out well, and yeah, I'm excited to start raising our own meat, which would be a really big step forward for us. We do a large garden, and now we have the chicks, the laying birds that are going to supply us a lot of eggs, but it's the next step forward to be able to get our own meat sustainably and fill our bodies with good food. So we just picked up our first meat birds.
Yeah.
So these are all the chicks. They all look good, so we gotta get them home, get them some food, water, and heat, and get them into the brooder. Okay, so we just gotta get this brooder all set up for them. Then we're gonna grab this large brooder plate. Put it in there. So it's really short because they're quite small. Oh, and then you have the other one. Just squeeze this guy in here. About the same height. Alrighty. Do you want to plug those in? Okay. I'm gonna put their water. We sanitized all of this yesterday and let it dry to make sure that between the egg layers and the meat chickens, everything is clean, fresh and new. Okie dokie. So we gotta count and get them already dead. Get their little beaks dead. They're so tiny. They're so tiny. So all 50 are healthy, happy, getting water and food. They're quick little munchkins. Quick little chicken nuggets. They're so cute. Ready? Cords are tight. You just gotta put a latch on. So we decided to put these chicks in this heated garage instead of inside the house because the egg layers made quite a mess and there's double the amount of these meat birds. So we opted for keeping them in this nice heated garage. I think it's pretty predator proof at this point in time. So yeah, but we'll put a latch on this so nothing can get in. But yeah. We are getting 4 extra egg layers this coming evening, which I'm just gonna put in the brooder with the meat birds until they're ready to go out. Because they pretty much eat the same chick starter feed. And then, yeah, and then I'll introduce them to the flock, and then these guys will go in chicken tractors that we will pasture raise on our lawn pretty much. So we're just installing the automatic door. I got this one off of Amazon. Had good reviews, so hopefully it works really well. There we go. And then open it. Perfect.